Saturday morning. Got my buddy Brad, one of the nicest guys in the world, and he's taking me up to the property on this bad boy. We got these tracks from a friend of ours, and we're going to see how they work. No, it's not an option, so he made this adapter to fit these tracks to his machine. He just machined things and drills holes and just acts like it's not that big a deal. So what we have here is a set of Polaris Prospector Pro UTV tracks. You can even see the serial number there. UTV tracks on an Outlander 650, Can-Am Outlander 650. That's not supposed to work, folks. Unless you're bright enough to make your own adapter kit. Unless you're bright enough to make your own adapter kit. And make sure your tilt limiters are in the right place as well. But you can't do that. We just had about a 4.5 mile trip. And the snow was probably, what was the depth of the snow?
That was
3 feet. I think that that's being conservatively low. The crazy thing about all of this is that every place I went, everybody that I talked to told me that you cannot just make adapter plates and call it good. You need to be able to have the right adapter plate. You need to have the right people put the adapter plates together. You need to make sure that everything is where it belongs, otherwise it just isn't engineered properly. But clearly they can be made. It clearly can be a DIY project, and it clearly can be successful.